They can hit notes that it's humanly impossible. And when they sustain a note and they go high and down, they don't break because they don't have to take a breath. You see how you can, they don't have to do that. There's no break in there. They don't have to breathe. You hear harmonies that you die, come back to life, and die and come back. And for me, a music lover, I like it. It will move you in ways you sit down, you're like, hey, we should close our worship sessions. To be honest with you, I didn't even finish something. Let me say this and then I'll add this. When my sister came, she thought she would find a mountain of glory of fire.